welcome back to our channel. I was gonna make a sound with me, I was like.
Yeah guys, today I have Lucy.
And Lovell.
Yeah.
As you see the title, we're gonna do I don't know why we are gonna do this with Lucy. Put me up to this. I didn't want to do it because we don't know what they mess in your sound. But anyways, like, comment and share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. Thank you for all my new subscribers in the building. We love you guys and all my old subscribers. You don't know how to do that from day one, you see me?
Yeah guys.
Yes, so we're gonna do a challenge here, making sounds of animals. So I'm gonna do one sound which me can do the same sound where him do.
Yes, and other species too.
Yeah, and other species. So, and guys, we see a lot of comments in the comment section, like we see questions, we see a
like
lot
person
of
asks which month you born
and
stuff.
so we that's why we put we Instagram and we Facebook page in the description, guys. So always go in the description if you want to send us a message, anything you want to ask us. You understand? You text we on Messenger or Instagram. You understand, guys? So just put it in the comment section and then don't text we or don't follow us on Instagram. We don't have to do that. You understand? And message we, because we're not gonna be able to reply to everybody in the comment section on YouTube. You understand? So we have to, that's how we put the page them in the description so that you can text we whenever you have a question or you have something to tell we are.
Yeah.
Whether you don't want to give a prank ideas, whether Lucy or me. So go follow us on Lucy and Romy _ Lucy and me at Nick _111. You understand, guys? That is NIQUEEE. You understand? _111. Just message me. And if we message them on the send already in the comment section, you can just send me in and message them and we can reply to you. Because certain questions when you send in the comment section, we cannot answer it. And because you know, say YouTube is a public thing where everybody will see that message. You understand? So just message me on Messenger or Instagram. You get me, guys? So yeah. Let's get into the video, guys. So the first one, I'm cow.
Ladies before
I don't know if you make cow sound.
Yeah? Make one cow sound.
I don't know if you make cow sound.
You know, go moo! Roar! Roar! Come.
We can't do it. Right, wait.
You have to find one different sound.
We can't pass by none of them.
Yeah?
We can't pass by that one, yeah.
Alright.
Donkey.
Alright, me have me win some if you
Yeah.
go first. Oh god.
I'm weak. Weak. Weak.
No, sir. Run.
Make it son.
No, sir. I'm gonna get out to go out by one. No, sir.
Go on, eh?
One. I get a chance to go first.
Me don't know that Sunday.
Maybe you know the sound of be.
I'm in a great country.
Yeah, I'm gonna coach you. Me say no whip a video with me go with them.
Me don't know.
I get one go meh.
That I want Robbie.
She good.
Oh.
And the Rami, when the Rami I got me a thing, goes, where I
People in the bus laughing at me there. Don't start. Bird.
What a bird? You have chicken and go. B, you can't tell me you don't know a bird sound. You mean you have Peter, you have ball plate on this one? Peter go,
No, wait, that means like a sound like while.
so
Alright. I do a phone.
Yeah. Oh, when you fall, I go there and go. Oh, when you chop the rooster go.
And the people are gonna laugh after that. Alright, pig.
When you go kill the haggy, if you go kill the pig or if they're hungry, then. But you know pig go be if I go out there and go so.
Yeah, me. Alright. No, so which one's that at me? Right. Dog. Roof.
And then like a puppy, to a puppy see and you're afraid that, you know, you're rushing me.
That's how when somebody lick him. Like
yeah, some puppy wild, so until you run up on him and start that.
Oh. Alright, so those are guys. Right now we just comment all the thing about the God. God know. You come from country, so we don't know nothing about the animal and species. Cat. Meow, meow, meow.
Cat part of my favorite. Because cat them, when we cat them up here, then them go mate. And you lay down and lay on him box and Rampus go over him. Rampus hold him in the neck. Ah, man. Don't move! Don't move! Oh, yeah. Yeah, so there you go. I say, Rampus, I don't know what make you do. Oh, Mickey. And they always hide up there, always see them.
Alright, next one, frog.
Rabbit. But then I night when rain
Yeah.
But I want to keep missing further.
Frog.
Yeah, man.
Me too afraid of me dash salt upon them.
Afraid of frog.
Guys, after that one, I will show you one with me afraid of. Monkey. You don't know monkey sound? Monkey sound.
I don't know.
Try the croissant now. Well, we just skip that one day. Skip that one day. Lizard.
When the lizards didn't get big.
That I also on them. When they hear,
Yeah, some of them. Me weak. Me weak.
I'm afraid of lizard, guys. I'm afraid of lizard. I even want a little lizard, I'm afraid of him. Rabbit.
You know, so rabbit, but like if rabbit wild and you hold him, you know.
Rabbit salsa?
Yeah.
Rabbit salsa?
For sure.
Rabbit not sound so big. Rabbit not sound so. No?
Me have over 50 rabbit.
Rabbit not sound
I tell you. When you hold a rabbit in, when them are mate, then you so. When them are mate, you just go so. No, but animal, man.
But, it sound, why them sound like rabbit? Rabbit.
Rabbit no sound. Rabbit no sound. No rabbit no sound.
Everybody's supposed to back camera now.
No rabbit no sound.
Me are embarrassed by myself by camera. Alright, I think the last one. A duck.
Duck go. Pork. I don't know how duck go.
Pork, 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 pork.
Then there's the one called normal sound. And they have one named peacock.
Peacock. It's a peacock. So the peacock.
You see when peacock like you hear the like it, chicken out when I hear one of them eat for go.
Yeah.
You see one time my cousin have one peacock in a man. And I go so pew yeah. Hi! Took off, yeah? Yeah, man. They afraid of it. You don't know what they afraid of it.
So the donkey again.
Hmm?
So the donkey again.
Guys, we grand uncle, they have a donkey. Anyhow, he hear your phone ring. At the time, the donkey, the donkey now, brr. Until he hear your phone ring.
Come again.
Me don't know what make. Anytime he hear your phone ring, at the time, they choose to pray. I don't know why.
So yeah guys, don't start this. I want to look shy one. That's why I sleep in not like hey. That's why I sleep because comment and tell what you think about that. That little one your master be tell us say we there we have nothing to do so we say we are entertaining. You see me? We just say we are there entertaining cause you know. And it's a COVID you need entertainment to keep your spirit alive. You see me? Tell me what you think about that one guys. Tell me what you think. Just like, comment and share. Subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And let us reach to 10k guys. We want to reach to 10k.
Yeah.
We're there our 6k now, we want to reach to 10k. So just make we do that by the end of the month here or even more by the end of the month here. So hope you like this video guys. Bye.